Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to adjust pet settings in the Widgetable application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Widgetable application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register if you already do not have one. Of course, alternatively, you can go and join as a guest. But now guys, let's see how you connect what you actually have in front of us here. So down we have the three tabs, which is the Explore tab, the Wallpaper tab, and more, as you can see, where you can see some more things about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and adjust pet settings in the Widgetable application. So firstly, what you need to do is go to the top of the screen, and as you have four links, you have the shop, friends, pets, and garden. You just need to go and click on the third option out of all of those four, which is the pet option. Here you need to go and create your pet first. So you need to hatch an egg. Here you can go and hatch an egg, and it will be in the pets section down here, as you can see. In the top right corner guys, you have your settings. So you have your pet tutorial, your history, your inventory, you have your pet gallery, lucky draw, retrieve pet, and the invitation at the top, which I missed. So those are the settings where you can go and play and do whatever you want with them. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.